So write down cochlear implantation is the most powerful solution to auditory neuropathy that we know of. The second most powerful solution is cued speech.
Okay, say nothing in any language. If you don't have hair,
Whoa! Welcome to Cool Studio! Whoa!
Die haben nicht damit having because the not interaction the basis the basis the people and the people come on the night
Do you get it? Because jalapeno sounds like all up in yo business.
I get to be deaf for a couple days. Pure and simple, I get to live in the world that she lives in every day.
That's good. She got so much fun.
Students who had cued speech during their school day made greater gains in all three areas, but more so, their gains were more so in language and reading.
I was in my police with my woman.
Sit. Yes. Sit.
My brother, who was a doctor, was acting the side English teacher. Hecate and computer to speak for attacking, working and test lesson to do the same.
I don't know.